Hello everyone, welcome to our English class. I am Anjana Jindal and today I am here with the topic of English grammar of class 4. Today I will teach you chapter number 8 of our English grammar book and our topic is the noun possessive form, use of an apostrophe. So children, our topic, the noun possessive form. In this video, we will learn about the possessive form of the noun. Children, as you have already learned in your previous chapters about the noun, you all know very well that what is a noun. Let me repeat that a word which is used as the name of a person, animal, place or thing is called a noun. So, noun has many forms and one of them is possessive form. So, today we will learn about possessive form. Now, children, the very first question which arises into our minds is, what is a possessive noun? Right? So, the word possessive, it itself speaks about some possession, isn't it? Possession means belongingness. So, possessive noun is a noun that names who or what owns or has possession of something. Means children, like if something is there and we have to tell about the possession of that particular thing. Means a particular thing belongs to whom? Who has the possession of that? So that name is a possessive noun. Okay? Means it is used to show belonging or ownership. Means who is the owner of that particular thing? That particular thing belongs to whom? Right? The possessive form is used with nouns referring to people, groups of people, countries and animals. It shows a relationship of belonging between one thing and another. Means possessive noun shows the relationship of belonging. Means it shows the belongingness. Okay. Now see, children, read these following sentences. Bicycle of Ravi is new. The dress of Kavita is very expensive. The brother of Mary is my classmate. So children, these sentences can be written in one more way. Let's see. See children, here these sentences I have written in another way showing the possession. Yes. See, first example, bicycle of Ravi is new. Means bicycle belongs to Ravi. Yes. Means Ravi owns this bicycle. Isn't it? So just to show this possession or belongingness, we can write in the way Ravi's bicycle is new. Means this bicycle belongs to Ravi. So we can say Ravi's bicycle. Okay. Next one. The dress of Kavita is very expensive. Means this dress belongs to Kavita. It is Kavita's dress. So we can write Kavita's dress is very expensive. Another example, the brother of Mary is my classmate. Who is my classmate? The brother of Mary means Mary's brother. Whose brother? Mary's brother. So Mary's brother is my classmate. Okay. It means, it shows. See, one more thing. Have you observed that the sentences given above on both the sides mean the same. Means in both the boxes, the meaning of the sentences are same, but they are written in different way. Right? So one thing is that the sentences given on right hand side are shorter and read better. Isn't it? Yes. So these are shorter and they are read better. So just to improve our writings or to make our writings impressive, we use this possessive form of the noun to show the possession. So now children, we will learn about the formation of possessive forms of noun. So first we will learn how to form the possessive form of singular nouns. Okay? We form the possessive case of a singular noun by adding apostrophe s to the noun. Okay children, see the examples. This is Mohan's book. See, this is Mohan apostrophe s book. To show the possession, we use apostrophe s to the singular noun. If a noun is singular, Mohan is singular, so we have added apostrophe s to show possession. Another example, the boy's clothes are dirty. The boy's clothes are dirty means a singular noun, one boy is there. That's why we have put apostrophe s to form the possessive case. One more example, this is Lily's dress. One Lily means one girl we are talking about whose name is Lily. So we have put apostrophe and s. So this is Lily apostrophe s dress. In this way, we will form the possessive case of a singular noun. Now let's see how to form the possessive case of the nouns which end with s. The letter s is not used with those words or nouns that end in s or have too many hissing sounds. Only a simple apostrophe is put at the end of such words. See the examples. See first one, Jesus apostrophe sake. Jesus is a singular noun which ends with s. It ends in s. So already having hissing sound, Jesus hissing sound is there and it ends in s. So we will not put apostrophe s. No. Jesus apostrophe s sake is wrong. We will only add apostrophe in this case. So Jesus apostrophe sake. This is the correct way to form the possessive case. Another example, Moses apostrophe laws. This is the correct way. If we will add apostrophe s, Moses apostrophe s laws, then this is wrong. So children, the possessive case is mainly used with the names of living things. As we can see in the example, cat's paw was hurt. So cat is a living thing. So we will use the possessive case here. Another, sheep's hooves. So sheep is also a living thing. So we will form the possessive case mainly with the names of living things. We use preposition of for expressing the possessive case of non-living things. Okay children, so just to show the possessive case or to express possession, we use apostrophe s, no? So that we use with the names of living things. Okay, and with non-living things, we show the possession by using the preposition of. Let's see the examples, then it will be more clear to you. See, if it is roof of the house. Right? We will write the roof of the house if we have to show the possession. See, means the roof is of what? It is houses. Means the roof belongs to the house. So, to show the possession of non-living things, we will not use apostrophe s to show the possession. So, if we'll write the house's roof or the house apostrophe s roof, then this is wrong. No, it will not be written as here it is given. But the correct way to write is roof of the house. So, preposition of will be used for expressing the possessive case of non-living things. Now children, let's learn about the formation of possessive forms of plural nouns. See how to form the possessive case of plural nouns. We form the possessive case of a plural noun that ends in s by adding only an apostrophe. See, when we form the plural nouns, generally we add s, isn't it? Generally, that noun ends in s, the plural noun, isn't it? So, we will add just apostrophe and not apostrophe s. As given in the examples, there are many boys apostrophe school in the city. See, the school is not of one boy, no? Many boys are there. The school of boys. So, boys is school. So, boys apostrophe because boys is plural noun. And to show the possession, we will add only apostrophe. There are many boys apostrophe school in the city. Another example, she lives in girls apostrophe hostel. So, children, here also hostel is not of a single girl, only one girl, no, not. So, many girls. Hostel is for so many girls. All the girls can come. So, to show the belongingness or to form the possessive case of a plural noun that ends in s, we always add just apostrophe. She lives in girls apostrophe hostel. Another thing, when the noun is plural but does not end in s. See, many plural nouns are there, no? That don't have s at their end. They don't end in s. So, in that case, the possessive case is formed by adding apostrophe s. Okay? As it is given in the example, see, children's books contain many colorful illustrations. Here, children is a plural noun. Right? Children is a plural form of the noun child. Right? So, children is a plural noun, but it does not end in s. So, to form the possessive case of this plural noun, we will add apostrophe s. So, children apostrophe s books contain many colorful illustrations. Another example, they have joined a famous men's club. Men is a plural form of a noun man. So, apostrophe s will be added because it does not end in s. Let's take one more example. She is a member of a women's committee. Again, women is a plural form of a noun woman. Right? Woman. So, woman, the plural form is women. So, women's because it is a plural noun but does not end in s. So, we will add apostrophe s to show or to form the possessive case of this plural noun. So, she is a member of a women apostrophe s committee. So, children, now I hope you have understood the formation of possessive form of singular nouns as well as of plural nouns. So on the basis of that, let's solve the exercises. So first exercise is given, like form the possessive case of the following groups of words. Here see, the groups of words are given and you have to form the possessive case. Okay? So children, on another box we have formed the possessive case. See, first one, the speech of the president. Whose speech is this? President's speech, right? The speech belongs to president. The president owns this speech. So we can write the president's speech. And as president is a singular noun and does not end in S, so we will add apostrophe S to show the possession or to form the possessive case. Another, the kingdom of Emperor Ashoka. So, Emperor Ashoka's kingdom, because this kingdom belongs to Emperor Ashoka. And Ashoka, singular noun, does not end in S, so we will add apostrophe S. The teachings of Buddha. So these teachings belongs to Buddha. So Buddha's teachings. Next, the Constitution of India. We will form the possessive case like India's Constitution. Next, the plays of William Shakespeare. So these plays belong to William Shakespeare. So we will write William Shakespeare's plays. The poetry of William Wordsworth. William Wordsworth's poetry. The essays of Francis Bacon. We will write Francis Bacon's essays. Number 8. The writings of Charles Lamb. We will form the possessive case like this. Charles Lamb's writings. See, Charles Lamb is the name of a person now. Single noun. Does not end in S. So we will add apostrophe S. Number 9. The collected works of William Blake. William Blake's are collected works. William Blake, apostrophe S, collected works. And the last one, the novels of R.K. Narayan. So, we will form the possessive case like R.K. Narayan's novels. Now children, clear how to form possessive case? Yes. So, let's move to another exercise. Next exercise is rewrite the following sentences by changing the words in color to the possessive case. So we have to change to the possessive case and then we have to write these sentences again. Rewrite means write again. See, first one, the hostel of boys is not very far from here. So here the colored words we have to change. Hostel of boys. Possession is shown, isn't it? So how will we convert? We will change to boys apostrophe hostel. Why? Because boys is a plural noun here, isn't it? So plural noun which ends in S. So we will add just apostrophe. Only apostrophe we will add here and will form the sentence like this. Boys apostrophe hostel is not very far from here. Number 2. The costumes of singers are attractive. See children, again the noun singers. Costumes belongs to singers and it is a plural noun. So we will add only apostrophe as it ends in S. So we will write singers apostrophe costumes are attractive. Number 3. The long and colorful feathers of a peacock attract everyone. So here feathers of a peacock. So peacock is a singular noun and these feathers belong to peacock. So to show the possession of a singular noun that does not end in S, we will add apostrophe S. See? The long and colorful peacock's feathers, matlab peacock apostrophe S feathers attract everyone. Number 4, the novels of Leo Tolstoy are popular the world over. Now the novels of Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy is a singular noun and does not end in S. So we will add apostrophe S. Leo Tolstoy apostrophe S novels are popular the world over. Number 5. The speech of Antony was very powerful. Means the speech of Antony. Antony is a singular noun and it does not end in S. So we will add apostrophe S. Antony's speech was very powerful. Now number 6. The mane of this horse is very long. Again this horse is a singular noun that does not end in S. So we will add apostrophe S and we will form the sentence. This horse apostrophe S mane is very long. Number 7. The toys of babies are sold in this shop. Now the toys of babies. These toys belong to babies and babies is a plural noun that ends in S. So we will add an apostrophe. Only apostrophe we will add because this plural noun ends in S. So we will rewrite in the way babies apostrophe toys are sold in this shop. Number 8. The songs of Kishore Kumar are very popular. So we will write as Kishore Kumar's songs are very popular. Number 9. This law will safeguard the rights of the people. See here, the rights are of people, isn't it? But people is a plural noun that does not end in S. This people, the word people does not end in S. So we will add apostrophe S to show the possession. This law will safeguard the people's rights. Number 10. The house of my friend is near this park. The house is of my friend. And my friend is a singular noun. So we will add apostrophe S. My friend's house is near this park. Okay children, I hope you understood. Now children, here is a home assignment for you. And this home assignment is a joy drill. See, it is a joy drill. See, here in both the exercises, exercise C and exercise D, you have to choose and put the tick mark to the correct possessive form. Okay, here the pictures are given and according to the picture, you have to choose the correct possessive form. Two forms are given, right? So whichever is correct, you have to choose that. So do it yourself and I hope you will enjoy this exercise. Definitely you will enjoy this home assignment. So children, I hope you understood the topic very well and you enjoyed this video. After watching this, understanding this, do all the exercises in very neatly and cleanly in your grammar copy. Okay children? Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.